Hello gardeners. In this video, I will tell you about a truly magical tool that is available to everyone to save their seedlings from such a problem that absolutely all novice gardeners face, as well as experienced gardeners face this problem in their seedlings. Namely, waterlogging of the soil. It is very dangerous for seedlings. When the soil is too wet, the nutrition of seedlings is poorly absorbed, it grows slowly, withers and disappears. As well as too wet soil, plus cool air in the room, for example, if your seedlings are growing on the windowsill. This leads to the fact that seedlings quickly begin to get sick with a black leg. The trunk of the seedling becomes thinner, the leaves wither and the seedlings fall. This leads to the complete death of all seedlings. And now I will show you what you need to pour the soil on top of you in order to save it from the above. To do this, we need ordinary activated carbon. And it doesn't matter if it's fresh activated carbon, or you have an expired one lying around. He will do his job. Since ordinary activated charcoal from the first aid kit, this is nothing more than an absorber. Namely a moisture absorber. It is porous and like a sponge absorbs molecules of other substances. And all this is due to the fact that the raw material from which it is prepared consists of charcoal, coconut shells, and other materials. And also contains starch, thanks to which the tablets retain their shape. But we don't need it in tablets. It will need to be ground into a powder. Activated charcoal is also sold in powder form. If you have one, you can use it. It's even better since you don't have to grind it. The absorbent properties of activated carbon will help remove excess moisture, and protect the soil and seedlings in it from the appearance and reproduction of various fungi on the soil surface. For such a small pot, you only need 4 tablets, crushed to a fine fraction. Sprinkle a thin layer over the surface of the soil. Well, if the fungus has already started on your seedlings, and the black leg is also operating, then you need to do the following. Remove damaged seedlings, since it will no longer be possible to cure it. Remove the top layer of soil, carefully with a fork, and pour crushed activated charcoal on top, and further reduce watering. And your seedlings will start growing normally again. So friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. If you have any questions, then ask them in the comments below this video. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.